Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Krista. I am a stay-at-home mom of 2 little boys. Tonight I wanted to do a quick after dark clean with me because the living room was a wreck, so is the kitchen. So I hope that you guys enjoy, and let's get into it.
Trying to figure you out, I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling.
The Parker has gotten where he's obsessed with books again, so every single day I'm having to pick up like probably 10 to 15 books because he loves to pull them out from the TV stand and kind of just leave them all over the floor. But I actually don't mind cleaning them up or getting him to clean them up and helping him because I just love the fact that he loves reading so much again now.
You set my wheels in motion, I'm going crazy for you. Eyes blue like the ocean, I can see you want this too. Cause you've been looking at me all night, trying to figure me out. I just wanna let you know, and I ain't playing no games, baby, you won't change. I only want you. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing.
I love my rainbow for a lot of reasons, but the biggest thing is that it is a pure air purifier, and you can also put in some essential oils and it gets the house smelling really nice. So I'm just putting in some lemongrass essential oils here and then starting the robots, so it can save me some time with cleaning instead of me having to go in with my vacuum or with a broom.
What I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars, I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Look at these beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest, blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, do when I'm out. So try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Stars, I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me.
So the last thing that I'm going to do is put up the dishes that I'd washed now that they're dry, and that is actually going to be the end of this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Please give a comment down below letting me know what your favorite part was, and be sure to give this video a like and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any videos. I upload every Monday and Friday. I will talk to you guys in the next one. I hope you have a great day. Bye.
I know we won't make it out.